So what exactly is a chatbot? They're those little silly bubbles on the bottom of a web page, right?
Hey, I resent that.
Sorry, no offense. A chatbot is way more than just a simple website integration. It's one of the best customer service assets that you may not have. They help you service any customer at any time, allowing you to answer burning questions at a moment's notice, or allowing customers to visit a web page that they may need to visit. Studies actually indicate that 51% of customers want businesses to be open 24/7, because who doesn't get a craving to look up a bakery's menu at 3 a.m.? I know I do. In fact, data shows that businesses may lose up to 75% of their potential customers when they have to wait more than just a few minutes for a response. That's a lot. Even if you're actively seeing a customer, you might have a backlog of potential customers who are growing increasingly impatient. That's a lot of money left on the table. Chatbots help increase customer satisfaction in these very same situations, and in turn, they increase the likelihood that customers will stick around. Chatbots also have a tendency to be a little cold and, well, robotic. It's in the name. But Amy is completely different. It's warm, colorful, happy to help, and tailor-made for small businesses who happen to face these challenges every day.
That's right.
So in short, chatbots are a fantastic, if not essential tool for increasing customer satisfaction and also boosting small business efficiency. In the day and age we live in, every small business should be getting a chatbot. It's a no-brainer.